Shop owners out there, we want you to stop bleeding out the profit that you can be making from oil changes and other services that come through your shop. But we just want to show you this example just through oil changes. We have one of our users that commonly does about 21 oil changes a day. They are able through the DVI to make $78 average profit per upsell on the items that they find on the DVI. When they do this every day, they're able to make $1,600 more in addition to what they would have made on the oil change, which is usually about $34 an oil change. So they're making more than double the profit from those oil changes, and this is in addition to the $34, equaling over $490K more per year. It is so important for automotive shop owners, one, to cover themselves in liability, to be making sure they understand the vehicle condition and presenting that back to the customer. But it's super important through Hoops and Gears that we've got the technician with his phone in his hand able to access the DVI. That access to the DVI makes it to where they can send information about the customer's worn parts right back to the service manager up front. That person can get to the customer within seconds. So if you want to stop losing $1,600 a day and start making nearly $500,000 more a year, you've got to be using Hoops and Gears with our integrated DVI. Inside of Hoops and Gears, you're able to, at the work order level, assign an inspection to a technician to complete on that ticket. The coolest part about the integrated DVI is that the technician is able to complete it right from his phone. That's stored on the work order inside the point of sale system. That digital inspection is able to be sent through text message right to the customer's phone, which the customer will be able to see what's good, what needs to be monitored, and the things that need to be corrected right away. By doing this on every service you provide, you will do much better than $500,000 in additional profit per year. That's how you run a real automotive location, but you've got to have a solid point of sale system behind it. One of the other things that we do to make sure that we're getting solid conversion is the 22-minute mark. From the time a customer checks in to the moment you present the DVI, we push to have the magic 22. We know if we go beyond that, customer anticipation for the completion of work starts to climb, trust starts to fall, and desire to leave is increased. Like, get me out of this place. I don't want another thing you're selling. The magic 22 is critical to stay in the trust circle with the customer and to stay in the competency level. If you can't bring answers back in 22 minutes and do the oil change properly, why would they want you to do some other repair if you can barely get those minimal items done on the vehicle? You have to have DVI software. That DVI has to be living on your customer work order, and you have to be able to text that to the customer. All of that gets submitted right into the front sales counter where we can communicate it to the customer. That's one of the ways we keep our 22 minutes on pace, is by technicians reporting it back into the point of sale system, and all of that goes right into the hands of the service writer up front. We can get it right to the customer within seconds of the technician completing it. You've got to control the customer psyche through getting to them in 22 minutes so that you can make these sales. 22 minutes keeps you in the yes.